Rise Before, guys. Today we're going to be doing the yoga challenge. That's where we find weird yoga poses online and we try and redo them ourselves.
Try. Emphasis on try.
We can't do yoga instead.
I think we need to wear suitable yoga clothing. Oh yeah. The first pose, I believe it's called the tree.
Oh, that one.
Okay, you ready? It's something like this, isn't it? There you go. Nailed it. Yoga master, here we come. The next one is called like the pose of the child or something.
Oh,
This is a good one. Okay, you ready? Go on.
Are you ready?
Same.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what this is called. I was like,
Right.
is that it?
Yeah, pretty much.
And then what's the other one?
You just gotta take pictures.
Oh, that really hurts.
I can't do that. Okay, let's.
Oh wait, your boobs are on the floor. Okay. Her arms are straight. What? Okay.
If you're on your knees.
Oh, I did it. Is that good enough? Yay!
I like it on my knees.
Sam.
Oh, I bet your neighbors think we're weird. Sorry about that, guys. British weather is so
Starting
bad.
to rain.
We've been having a lovely heat wave. It like Africa heat. And then now it's raining.
The moment we decided to start filming.
Outside.
Really?
Yes. So we're inside now.
Okay. Next one. Let's go for it. Okay. Ow, I scratched myself.
I used to be able to do this.
I can kind of do it.
Oh! Oh my god.
My leg.
You've got a Snapchat, by the way.
Yeah, get this from there. Hold on. Oh.
Ah!
Okay.
No, this is just, I'll put up one foot and then the next
My arms do go around me. Like. Oh! I can do one way, but I can't do the
Oh,
other
and
way.
he's touching his feet.
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah, his hands like touching each other. But
No, they're touching his feet. That really hurts. Oh!
I can't lift my foot.
I'm kind of stuck.
I can't even do it.
Okay,
You can go on.
next one. Okay.
Oh, cheeky.
Do you want to get in your pose?
Yeah. I don't want to break you, so that's why you're doing
Oh, fair enough.
Fair enough. You meant to say no, honey. You're not gonna break me.
No, Hannah, you are gonna break me. Well, am I supposed to put them on your butt? I don't know.
No.
There you go.
What are we doing?
Nailed it.
Okay, get off. High five.
Same.
Apart from the tree, that's the first one I've been able to do.
Well, the tree's not exactly hard, is it? That one.
Okay. I need to write the bottom of.
So do I. Okay.
I'm ready to play it. I don't know if
How high can you get your feet? Wait, okay. I can't reach. Oh my god. Right.
I was gonna say.
How about we hold hands first? Okay. Wait. You ready? It's a great life. Okay.
That was.
No.
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 Well, we can try it if you want.
Go for it.
I'm not.
You're gonna do that one.
I'm
Okay.
doing that one.
Right. Oh wait, I need to be facing this way. Do I?
Yeah.
Okay. Please hold my legs.
Oh god.
You ready? Wait, I need to hold your feet. That could be it.
So try that one.
We can try.
How many have we done?
I lost count.
So am I. We'll just go until we finish all the ones that
Yeah. Okay.
What did she do?
Right. So she'll. Her legs are kind of like this, and then she grabs. She grabs her foot. Oh, she bends in front. Oh no, I'm gonna lift myself up.
Oh god!
I can do this.
She grab?
She grabs her foot. I can't even. Okay. And then she like lifts herself up.
You double forward.
I can't lift myself up. Same. Yeah, no, I can't
Day
do that.
6 out of the 30-day yoga challenge. We
Right.
expect us to be able to do that. Are we doing that one?
You can do.
No one doesn't do that. What's she doing?
Gonna fall down soon pose. Is she like that behind the back?
Like that.
Okay. One foot. Which foot? She's got. Okay.
Her left foot is down.
Which one? The left foot. This foot.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. Oh wait, my foot's against the wall. And then she's like. I did it.
Yeah, that foot's not that high up, but oh well.
Which one's the plough?
That's just so sad.
Right, her arms are there.
That was like, what?
My back.
Ow, my arm.
There you go. Oh wait, it hurts my neck.
I think I have my arm in. I'll just lie down. This is called Dead Warrior Food.
What about this one?
I can't see you guys anyway. Yeah, we can. What's it look like?
Okay. Wait, is that a tail or a leg? Oh wait, no, that's a leg. Okay. So one of them's
His
like.
right leg is up, or its right leg is up.
Is that it? We can.
You can't.
The legs
That's
isn't
his
that
hands.
high. How can it be more flexible than I am? That can be close enough.
That was our yoga challenge, and
Yeah.
I don't recommend you do that.
We did it.
You did alright.
Yeah.
You're quite flexible.
Yeah.
If you like this video, like and subscribe, see more from us, and comment which was your favourite.
We'll see you guys next week. Where-